All right, guys, so welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you how to clean your driver head, which is something that you can do, especially when your driver is old. I have this old Callaway driver, and I'm going to show you how you can use just car wax to basically get this shining. It will remove small scratches and it will restore some of the dull look for your driver. So basically, if you look thoroughly, you can see that it's very dull in there. You can wash it with soap, and that's not gonna, it's always gonna stay there. And then if you look carefully, there's gonna be some scratches in there. Okay, so what I'm gonna be using is just car wax. And this actually works on your vehicle. I used it on my car, and I mean, it's hard to believe, but the scratches, you just apply it, do a circle motion. You have to like stay there for a little bit, and they will go away. So it does work. I'm gonna start here with the head. You can also do it in right here in the hitting area. It would also work. All you gotta do is just apply just a little bit, not too much, just barely, like a little drop. You don't want to apply too much to it. So like that. That's all you need. And then you have to start one area at a time. So I'm going to work first on this top area, then this area here, and then this lower part right here. Now I get this microfiber cloth, and all I got to do is just start with circle motions. To start, just grab just a little bit, and what I do is you have to press it a little bit. You probably don't want to do this like right in the sun. You may want to get in the shade, but I just want to show you exactly what you got to do. So get a little bit of this and just start going in circle motions. And it will take some time, but trust me, it does work. So basically what I'm doing is I'm grabbing just a little bit and then applying it and not using the whole thing. And just kind of, you have to press down a little bit. Obviously not, you don't want to break your driver, but you do have to press down a little bit with some force and go in circle motions just like that. Okay, so let me show you. I basically work on this area right here up to here, all of this. I started doing the head a little bit. You can see how it starts to remove all the minor scratches. Look at this, it's so shiny. It's starting to look like new. So now I'm gonna apply another one here and just start working through here and then through the rest of the head. Okay, so it's been about probably 20 minutes, I would say. But look at this. I mean, I didn't do the face yet, but look at the crown. I mean, it's just night and day. And you trust me, this was really, it was in the bad condition. It was really scratched. There is still a few more scratches in there. I could still apply more, reapply, do probably two more applications. You can see it like right here a little bit, but looking here, it's starting to get the shine back in there. All right, so I actually repeated the application twice because this driver, the crown was really bad. I mean, they had a lot of small scratches, but the final result is fantastic. I mean, if you look at the beginning of the video and look at it now it's, I could say that it's decent. Before it was like, you look at it and you're like, wow, this is, I mean, it's in really bad condition. So what I would do is I wouldn't let it get that bad, especially if it's dirty, if it has some minor scratches. If you let it get really bad, then you're gonna have to apply, maybe do a few applications. I will probably need to do another application, just let it rest for a couple of days, and then do another application to fully get rid of all the scratches, because there's so many tiny scratches in here. And but I removed a lot of them, but there's still a few more. Let me show you the final result. See that? You can see it's actually shining now. um, from here you can see it. From there, it's way better than what it was before. Again, there's the big scratches, pieces like the paint marks that are like this one's right here, that's not going to fix. But all the minor scratches you can see in there, it's they're gone. They're gone. And that dull looking face that was especially right here, that's gone as well if you look at the beginning of the video. So definitely, it's very easy to do. It does take time and some effort too, because you have to wipe and you have to apply some pressure. But I think it's definitely worth it, especially if you have one of the older drivers. I think this is worth doing. The shiny part right here, I mean, that looks fantastic. I don't know if you can see it, but it's really shining right here. I would also say that this will extend the life of your driver. A lot of times people don't clean them, it gets scratched, little tiny scratches. It goes on for years until, you know, it gets dried up in there, and then it cracks. I would definitely do it, guys. If you have, obviously you need some time, because it will take about half an hour, overall probably 40 minutes, but there you will have a shiny head driver, and you can make sure to use the right cover, obviously, so you can keep it clean. So guys, just a quick video on that. I hope you enjoyed that. Make sure to leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.